ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ SJ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರತ್. ಈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ನಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯೋಗವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
So dear friends, who all are preparing for competitive like CTET, Karnataka TET, GPSTR and CET. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೇಸಿಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ 9th 10th PUC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ SJ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10 ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 6.3 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು CBSEಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ 2.3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಗರ್ 6.34 ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. Write the similarity criterion used for you for answering the question and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. This is the question. Okay. So in this question what we have to check, first you can state which pair of triangles are similar. This is the first one. Okay. First we have to check whether given two triangles are similar or not. Second one, write the similarity criteria. Which criteria we used here to prove or to say these two are similar. You can write similarity criteria. Okay. And third one, also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. In the symbolic form you can write, for example this is ABC, you can write here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is said to be similar symbolic form. Understand? Okay. See here, first I will explain once again similarity criterions. Total how many similarity criterions are there? 3 similarity criterions are there. First one, angle, angle, angle. This is the first one. Okay. Second one, side, side, side. This is the second criteria. Third one, side, angle, side. Okay. These three are the criterions. Correct? So in my previous class I explained these 3 criterions. In this class we can check these two are the similar triangles or not. Okay. After that, from which criteria we are saying here these two are similar, and third one I will write in the form of symbolic. Correct? Okay. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದೇದು ABC, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ PQR. ಇವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? In triangle ABC, angle A, angle B and angle C value already given, that is 60, 80 and 40 degree. Okay. Next you can go to next triangle, that is PQR. In this triangle angle P is 60 degree, angle Q is 80 and angle R is 40 degree given. Okay. So you can write here solution. After that you can write here in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ PQR. ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ PQR ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ A. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ A ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ P. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ A ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ P ಆಲ್ಸೋ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ A ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ P ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABCಯಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ B ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ B ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ Q ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 80 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ C. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ C ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ R because these two are 40 degree. Why I written these two are equal? Because already given in the question. Okay. So you can write here this is given, right? So already we know one criteria, that is angle criteria. Okay. This is also one angle, this is also one angle, this is also one angle. Okay. So you can write here, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. why these two triangles are similar? Because we know criteria, that is angle 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 criteria. So you can write here these two triangles are similar because by a criterion you can write. Okay. See, first you can state whether these two triangles are similar or not. Yes, these two triangles are similar. Okay, finished. Next, which criteria we used here? Here we used angle 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 criteria. Okay. After that, the question and write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. This is said to be symbolic form. Okay. See here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. This is said to be symbolic form. Okay na? So this is said to be symbolic form. Like this you can practice, right. So next I will go to second one. This is the second figure. Okay. So what is given here? ABC is one triangle, PQR is one triangle. These two triangles are given. Okay. Here AB is 2, BC is 2.5, AC is 3 units you can consider, and PQ is 6 unit, QR is 4 unit, PR is 5 unit given. Okay. So just you can rotate this triangle. Okay, you can rotate like this. Okay, so I will rotate here, right. This is, you can consider QR. Okay, this is QR, right. So next QR. Okay, you can rotate like this, you will get here QR. Okay, this is PR, RP. Okay, this is R, this is P. Okay, RP. So next you can join here P and Q. Okay, this is PQ. PQ is how much? 4. RPR is how much? 5, and QR is 4. Okay. Now you can consider these two triangles. Okay. So you can write here in triangle ABC and which triangles we are taking here? ABC and QRP. Okay, ABC and QRP you can write. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle QRP. In these two triangles, you can take here side ratios, because we know only side ratios. So you can take here side ratio, that is in this triangle you can take here AB. Okay, AB divided by QR which equals to AB is how much? 2 divided by QR is how much? 4, which equals to, you can simplify here, you will get here 1 by 2. Okay. So next you can take here BC. Okay, in triangle ABC you can take BC divided by RP you can take. Okay, RP, correct. BC is how much? 2.5 units you can consider. RP is 5 units. Okay, this is 2.5, this is 5, right. 2.5 1 ja 2.5 2 ja you can consider. Next you can take here AC and QP. Okay, AC divided by QP you can write. Okay, which is equals to AC is how much? 3 divided by QP is 6. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja, this is 1 by 2. See here, you are getting all sides ratio equal, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, correct. So now you can write here, triangle ABC and QRP. These two are triangle ABC and QRP. These two are similar. This is symbolic form. Because why these two are similar? You can write here because you can write here by S criteria. By SSS criterion you can write. Okay, by SSS criterion we can say these two are similar. See, why we used here SSS means in these two triangle sides ratios we are getting same. So that's why you can say here by SSS criterion these two triangles are similar. This is also very important. Symbolic form is very important. Triangle ABC is similar to QRP you can write, because A is equals to Q, B equal to R and C equal to P. Okay. So I hope you understand. Next I will go to third. So next third figure, this is third one. Okay, right. In this third figure, what is given? LMP is one triangle, DEF is another triangle. Okay, these two are the triangle. See here, you can state whether these two triangles are similar or not. If similar, you can say which, from which criteria you are saying these two are similar. And third one, you can write these two triangles in the form of symbolic. Okay, if similar, you can write in symbolic form. Okay, so see, this is 2.7, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so just you can bring this one this side, you can bring this D this side. Okay, you can bring like this. Okay, I will draw here. Consider this is FE. F is how much? 5. Okay, FE. Okay, so next this is FD. This is FD. Okay, FD is 6 and this is ED. ED is how much? 4. Right. You can convert this figure into like this, or you can rotate like this. Okay, you can rotate like this. Then you will get here, this is 5, this is 4 and this is 6. Once again you can check, ED is how much? 4 and F is how much? 5 and FD is how much? 6. Correct? So, you can write here. Next you can write in triangle. In these two triangle you can check. Okay, this side, this. In triangle LMP and LMP and triangle FED. Okay, in these two triangle you can take here sides ratio, because we know only side length. So, that is why you can take here sides ratio. In triangle LMP you can take here LM you can take corresponding side is this. Okay, divided by EF, or you can take FE. Okay, LM divided by FE which equals to LM is 2.7 divided by FE is 5. Okay, we can't divide this one, you can write this as it is. Next I will take here corresponding sides these two, that is MP divided by ED, MP by ED, MP by ED. MP is how much? 2, ED is 4. Okay, you can simplify, then you will get here 1 by 2. So, next you can take here these two corresponding sides, that is LP divided by FD. LP is 3, FD is 6, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 1 by 2. See here, we are getting only two corresponding sides ratios are equal, but this is not equal to this one. So, that is why you can write here, therefore, triangle LMP is not similar to triangle FED, you can write. So, you can write here because why these two triangles are not similar, because sides ratio are not same, you can write. Okay. So, next I will go to fourth figure. Okay, next I will go to fourth one. This is the fourth figure. Figure is MNL and PQR. In these two triangle, what is given? Here angle M is 70 degree given, MN is 2.5 units you can consider, ML is 5 units you can consider. Okay. And in this triangle, angle Q is 70 degree, PQ is 5 units, QR is 10 units you can consider. Okay. So, I will draw here this figure like this. First you can consider this is the Q point, because here M is 70, Q also you can take here 70 degree. Okay. So, you can call this is M, sorry, this is Q and this is P. This is Q, this is P. Okay. QP is how much? 5 units you can consider. Okay. Next QR. Okay. So, you can call this is R. This is R. How much? This is 10 units. Okay. This angle is 70 degree. Next you can join these two. Okay. So, now you can see these two. Okay. Now you can compare in triangle MNL and MNL and QPR. Triangle QPR. P R. Dear students, this is very important. ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ 2.5 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪಿ 5 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ 10, ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಈಸ್ 5. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ 5 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we can consider corresponding sides ratio, that is mn. In this triangle you can take mn, in this triangle you can take qp. Okay, mn divided by qp. Mn is 2.5 divided by qp is 5, which equals to 2.5 1 ja 2.5 2 ja. This is 1/2. Okay, so next you consider these two corresponding sides ratio, that is in this triangle ML divided by this triangle you can take here QR, because these two are the corresponding sides, that is ML is 5 divided by QR is 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja. Okay, so corresponding sides ratio are equal, and you can consider any one corresponding angle, that is angle M equal to angle Q, which equals to 60 degree. Okay, so here we got corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angle is equal. Okay, so how many sides are there? Here 2 sides, 1 angle, right? So you can write here therefore triangle MLN MNL similar to triangle QPR. Okay, so here this symbolic form is very important. Angle M equal to Q ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆವು, ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಪಿ ಇದೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ವೈ ದೀಸ್ ಟು triangles are similar? Because you can write here, because by side angle criterion these two triangles are similar, because side angle side, this also side angle side. Okay, so SAS criterion we can say these two triangles are similar. Okay, so next I will go to fifth, that is next fifth one. Okay, this is the fifth, and this is fifth figure. Figure is ABC and DEF. In these two triangle, this is 80 degree, this is 2.5 unit, this is 3 unit, and this is DF 5 unit, this is 6 unit, this is 80 degree. See here, when you will see these two figure, then you can say immediately, you can say these two are not similar, because this is the angle. Okay, these two are the sides, this is the angle, these two are the sides. This is angle included these two sides, that is 6 and 5. Okay, but in this triangle this angle not includes 2.5 and 3, this is outside. Okay, this is excluded, not included. So that's why you can say immediately these two are not similar. I will draw here. So first you can draw here this F upside. Okay, you can call this is F. Okay, so FD, this is F, you can call this is D. FD is how much? 5. Okay, 5. Next angle F is how much here? Angle F is 80 degree. Okay, and then you can join these two. Okay, this is F, this is D. FD is how much? 5. Okay, so next DE is how much? DE we don't know, you don't write anything. Okay, after that what we know? FE is how much? This is 6 units. Okay, so you can turn like this, and then you will get this is F, that is 80 degree. Okay, and then FD or DF is 5 units, DF or FD, and EF, this is EF is 6 units. We don't know DE, you can write as it is. Okay, so now you can write in triangle ABC and in triangle ABC and FDE. Okay, triangle FDE. Okay, you can consider here corresponding sides ratio, that is AB by FD. AB by FD. AB is how much? 2.5 divided by FD is 5. Okay, so which equals to 2.5 on 2.5 2 right. So here we know BC, we don't know DE. Okay, but here we don't know AC, here we know FE. So you can write here, BC divided by DE. So BC we don't know, BC is 3, DE we don't know, you can write here DE as it is. Okay, right. So next in this triangle angle A, in this triangle angle A is 80 degree, angle F is 80 degree. Okay, so here we are getting only one side and one angle, but not another one side. So you can write here, therefore triangle ABC is not similar to triangle FDE. Okay, and because you can write here, because you can write here angles. So because angles between two sides are not same, you can write here. Okay, so because angles between two sides are not same, so that is why these two triangles are not similar. Why angles between two sides are not same? See here, this is the one triangle. Okay, these two sides does not include 80 degree. So here these two sides includes 80 degree, but these two sides not includes 80 degree. So that is why you can write here angles between two sides are not same. Two side between the angle ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 80 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you can write here angle between two sides are not same. Next I will go to sixth figure. Next sixth figure is this one and this one. Okay, question DEF in this triangle, angle D is 70 degree, angle E is 80 degree. Okay, in this triangle angle Q is 80 degree, angle R is 30 degree. We do not know here angle P, in this triangle we do not know angle F. Okay, so you can consider this triangle. Okay, in triangle DEF, okay, angle A, sorry, this is the angle D. Okay, angle D plus angle E plus angle F, which equals to 180 degree, because we know that sum of the interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so angle D is 70 degree you write, plus angle E is 80 degree you write. Okay, plus angle F we do not know, you can write it as it is, which equals to 180 degree. 70 plus 80 is 150 degree, correct? Plus F you write as it is, which equals to 180 degree. Next you bring 150 this side, then this becomes minus. Okay, so angle F is equals to 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree you will get, correct? So here we got F equal to 30 degree, this is 30 degree. Then now you can compare in these two triangles, these two are the corresponding angles, whether these two corresponding angles are equal or not. Okay, so I can write here in triangle DEF and PQR, in these two triangle you can take here angle E, in this triangle you can take angle E, in this triangle you can take angle Q, okay, which equals to 80 degree, this is already given. Okay, next in this triangle you can take here angle F. Okay, in triangle DEF you can take angle F, PQR you can take here angle R, which equals to 30 degree. Okay, so then you can write here, therefore triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR, because we know one criteria, that is angle. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, any two corresponding angles are equal, then we can say these two are similar. Okay. So, you can write here because by angle criterion. Okay. By angle criterion, these two triangles are similar. Okay. So, this is said to be symbolic form, right. Dear students and friends, I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please you can share it and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.